everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use Facebook on mobile. In order to use Facebook on mobile, you need to follow these steps. Open up your respective app store and type in Facebook and install the application. Now once you're done installing the application, click open it up. Now I already have an account and due to some security concern the screen won't appear, so I'll be using a browser version. However, the interface will look similar. So if you're using a browser version, you want to type in facebook.com/sign up. So once you type in, it's going to take you to their official page of the Facebook sign in page or sign up page. So now it's going to show you this sort of page, what sort of account that you want to create, personal or professional. Tap on the next button. Then you want to go ahead and start giving your personal information. So first of all, you have to enter in your first name, last name, then verify your age, then add in a phone number or an email address that you want to register with, and create a password. As you're done with that, you have to verify your contact information. So a verification code will be sent to your registered email or phone number. And as you're done entering the following information, you've successfully created your Facebook account. Now you need to begin with creating a profile, that is adding and uploading photos or adding friends or inviting people on Facebook. And then that is the way you could use Facebook on mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.